Hey y'all, it's your girl Shoglizzy or Show, and I'm back with another video on how I got my short ass 4C hair into this sexy, sleek, slick back grown woman bun. That was a mouthful. But yeah, I've been rocking my hair like this for a good month because as you guys can see, my hair has grown so much, and it has grown because I've not been doing anything to it, just like, you know, putting it back, or like I'll wear it in a poof sometimes, but I like wearing this most because it just looks really put together and it's really simple. And I'm amazed that my hair has grown so much where I'm even able to do it. So yeah, if you have short 4C hair, you can definitely get your hair into a cute slick back bun. It's so teeny, but it's really cute. And yeah, if you guys want to see how I got my hair like this, keep watching my video. So I'm starting off with my hair, you know, kind of pre-stretched out because I pretty much wore the same hairstyle before, but I just want to refresh it. So right now I'm kind of just separating the hair that was flattened down and kind of like loosening up the gel and stuff so that I'm able to manipulate my hair again. Next, I'm gonna spray my hair with some water, and that's just gonna make the slicking down process a lot easier when I start adding my products. Now I'm just adding this leave-in conditioner by Mildly Moisture, and my hair really loves this stuff. I like to do this process so that my hair is a little bit moisturized before adding the gel. Next, I'm going to take the Eco Styler gel. I find that this one works with my hair pretty well, and now I'm going to just start shaping where I'm going to put my bun. So this next step is so important, and pretty much what I'm doing is using this Denman brush to distribute the product through my hair so that the hair can lay really flat. And I just find that this makes all of the curls, all of my coils really sleek so that the bun is really nice. I also use my hands to help flatten down the hair as I brush the product through, and this helps to shape the bun as well. So now that my hair is laying a lot flatter, I'm just looking in the mirror to see where I'm gonna place the bun. Next, I'm taking this board bristle brush and I'm really just slicking the fuck out my hair. Like, this is the step that really gets every hair strand flat. Now I form my bun. Now I'm going in with some bobby pins to reinforce the places on my hair that didn't get flat when I brushed it. Now for the last step, I'm just going to tie my hair with a headscarf so that it gets things even flatter, baby. It's nice and flat. Ew. Now I'm just gonna lay my edges. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!